Redmi 9A. So with easy access to the Google apps you use most, I have the sticker for the stock unit, and this is our device here, Redmi 9A. So let me cut off this polythene. Opening the box carefully. Nice packaging. This is the device here. Very long. And put this aside. We have some paperwork. This is the paperwork. We have a suction pin, some eject pin. Removing the SIM card. You don't want to open this. It looks like it's a buzzer. Inside here, we have a user manual. This is our user manual. We also have another, could contain warranty card. So inside the box we have a micro USB connector and also an adapter. So it is the power adapter, 10-watt charging. So it also has fast charging, 10 watts. Nothing else in the box. And this is our device here. So, briefly, this is the Redmi 9A 6.53 inch dot drop display and 3D unibody design, 500 milliampere battery, so high capacity, high charge cycle count, longer lifespan. The device also has the MediaTek Helio processor, Gen 25 octa-core. It runs at 2 GHz with a 13 megapixel AI rear camera and a 5 megapixel selfie. Redmi by Xiaomi. So this is one of the cool phones from Xiaomi, Redmi.